Hi guys, welcome to Blushes and Bling. Please like, share and subscribe. Today we will be making 4 DIY planters which are super easy to make. So let's move on to the first planter. So for this planter, I'm taking an old photo frame and I'm painting the borders of this photo frame black in color. You can use any color of your choice or any material to decorate this photo frame. Guys, before making this planter and choosing a photo frame for this, make sure that you use a photo frame which has a high borders so that you can put soil in between the area where we have the glass. After I will be done with painting this photo frame, then I will remove the glass which is in the middle of this part. I will remove this glass and put some soil into this, and make sure that you choose a plant which doesn't require a lot of soil and a lot of water. If you guys would like, then you could use succulents which don't require enough water and enough soil to grow. So I'm done with my first planter. It can be put on a table or maybe you can even hang it somewhere. I've put moss rose inside it. You can use any plant of your choice. Moving on to our second planter. For this, I will take some popsicle sticks. So here I'm sticking these popsicle sticks together with the help of a glue gun. You may also use Fevicol or any other medium to stick these together. So I'm making a shape of a triangle here. You can make a shape of a square, star or any shape which you want your planter to be. So I'm done with my base and I'll stack up more popsicle sticks on this to give it a height. And as you guys can see at the back also, I have cut the popsicle sticks in the shape of a triangle and then attached it to it. Now I'm gonna paint it, and you can paint it or maybe decorate it with the glitter or anything which you want. I'm making this planter for my desk. So for here also I will choose a plant which doesn't require a lot of water or sunlight. So I will use a small succulent with some little red flowers to match this paint. Here I'm only painting half of this planter for a nice effect. You can also choose to paint the whole of it. Our second planter is also done. I have put this on my work desk. Doesn't it look good? Now let's move on to the third planter. For this I'm using a plastic food storage container and I'm gonna be decorating it. So here I'm using a glue gun which will help me attach a jute rope around this planter. So I have this thin jute rope. You can also choose to take a thick one, but I like the thin one better for this planter. So I'm sticking this rope around it with the help of a glue gun. So I want a very thick pattern of this rope, so I'm tying this around a lot of times. If you choose to take a thick rope, you will maybe need 2 or 3 rounds for covering the upper part of this planter. So I'm done tying the rope around this planter, and now I will decorate it in whatever fashion I like. So I have written a quote, "Believe in yourself." So you can write any quote or maybe use any paint to decorate this. So I'm done with my third planter as well. Lastly, we will be making our fourth planter. For this planter, I'm taking an old ugly cup which I own, and now I'm gonna be decorating this cup. For this, I'm using red paint to color this cup all over. I'm using acrylic paint here. If your cup has a very bright pattern or dark pattern, it will take around 2 or 3 coats. So my Cup took around 1 or 2 coats to cover it fully. So our last planter is also ready. I've also made little black stars on this planter. You can choose any drawing or any color which you like. So I've kept this on my dressing table. Doesn't it look nice? So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye.